Alright guys, today we have a 2012 Nissan Maxima and we're going to be replacing 04 shocks. We got our breaker bar. This is the 22 inches and we have a 21 socket and extension to not scratch the wheel. One thing I like to do is take my wheel, put it under the car. Just open the hood. Our strut tower is right down here and here. So we gotta remove these plastic trims in order to get to them. And this car has no clips on this side, so we can easily remove it. Put it down here, out of the way. Let's take this one. Now this one has a clip. Right there. Let's remove that clip. I have a little point here, but a flathead will also work. Just pop it up and take it out. Clips, so I don't lose them. Normally I like to keep them right there. After this, we have another clip right back here. Let's take that clip out as well. Like I said, we don't want to lose that clip, so we put it right there. There shouldn't be no more clips, they should just pop out, like so. And let's put it down there, right on top of the other one, and out of the way. Now guys, here we go, look, that's 1, 2, and 3 screws. We got 1 nut, 2 nuts, ABS sensor, link up here, and the brake line right there. And that should be all. Let's remove the brake line clip. I'm gonna use a big flathead and I'm just gonna hit it from this side out. It's right there. We're gonna put this where it's secure back here, so that way I know it's there. And now we can easily remove the brake. The sensor, we just pop it out. Same thing on the other side. Now guys, remember, before you try anything, always lubricate whatever you're taking out. If you can see the top screws from the bottom, do it as well. Now let's go ahead and start removing these bolts. Let's move this one to the bottom. Right there. We're gonna take one off and leave one on. This is where your jack is gonna come handy. You're gonna take your jack and you're gonna please just keep taking out this bolt. You don't want to lose this bolt. I like to throw some WD-40 on them and just leave them sitting on there. Use an adjustable wrench on the back. back at it. Just gotta grab the strut from the bottom, pull it back, down. Careful with the car. Here's the old one, here's the new one. We always want to make sure that they are identical. That's one thing that I like to do when I'm replacing something. I like to write the mileage. So this car has 78, 714. Let's put that strut back. Don't forget to put thread locker in the screws. You might have to wiggle it around. Alright guys, don't forget the thread locker on the knot. A little bit on the end of the screw right there. Just screw it back in. Same with the bottom. Thread locker. A little at the end of the screw. And screw it back in. Same principle from before. Just tighten it. These you want it tight. Don't forget the little sensors. And don't forget the brake line. Put some WD-40. Put some thread locker and put the nut back in there. And hold it from the back so it will spin. Now so put the plastic trim back on. Clips. I like to tighten it in a crisscross pattern. Now we're going to work on the rear tire. Tires under the car. We got one screw and one nut down here, and up there should be two. Don't forget to always lubricate